bioMérieux is a life sciences company that specializes in vitro diagnostics, and we've got almost 13,000 employees worldwide. In my role at bioMérieux, I take disparate data throughout a health system and I process the data, cleanse it, organize it, and then create visualizations to present it to clinicians and decision makers to take something that was for a long time unseen and unavailable to be able to become something that they can make decisions off of to affect patient care. Antibiograms have historically been a pretty arduous manual process. It takes a lot of manpower, a lot of hours at the beginning of the year, every single year, to create a chart that will be printed out and have physicians and clinicians carry them around until the year is up and they're ready to do it all over again. Now, through the power of SAS Viya and CLARION, we have made it so that we're using the software to be able to take the data and a clinician can look at a 50,000-foot view of how the entire health system is doing with regards to antimicrobial resistance or susceptibility, all the way down to a particular facility, a particular unit, a particular patient class, age, gender, anything as specific and granular as they might need to have the most applicable information at the time. As a company, we started with Marcel Mérieux, who was one of Louis Pasteur's assistants, and he was doing cultures by hand. And now, through SAS Viya and the power that CLARION has amassed, we are able to process hundreds of millions of test results in a matter of minutes. And what that's going to amount to later on is that's a real patient. These are real patients whose time to care is going to be decreased because of these insights. bioMérieux has a really great culture of dare and try. And so we really have the space to be creative and to experiment with new ideas. I am really excited to see how AI is going to affect really positive change in healthcare. And so we're in the process of adopting Viya 4, and I'm really excited to get my hands on the new features that will allow us.